Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Sofi joint account. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to log into your Sofi account. You can do that on the Sofi app, or you can visit the website and log in there. And now when you're logged in, you got to click on the accounts or settings tab. Next, you got to click on the add account holder or joint account. Next, you want to enter the joint account holder's name, email address, date of birth, and their social security number, or you could use their individual taxpayer identification number. Next, you got to review and agree to the terms. So just review the joint account terms and conditions and agree to that by checking the box. Next, you want to verify joint account holder identity. So Sofi will send a verification email to your joint account holder. Now, the joint account holder must verify their identity by clicking on the link in the email. Next up is to set up joint account settings. So you can determine the account ownership structure with this. You can have joint tenants with the rights of survivorship, or you could also have tenants in common. Whichever one you want to use, you can just set that there. And you can also set up account permissions. So it could be view only, trade only, or you can have the joint can have full access to the account. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a joint Sofi joint account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.